another Sound Partners lesson. Now this lesson starts to introduce the digraphs when two letters make a sound. So that can be a little tricky. So just because in my job as an ESL teacher, a lot of languages don't have two letters that make a sound, so that can be hard. And so it's just practicing and modeling how to make the sound is helpful. So we have the TH sound. So th, th, th. And I remind the kids that their tongue should be up near the top of their teeth when they're making this sound. Th, th, th. Also, if you have trouble showing your child this, if you go on YouTube and put in the TH sound demonstration, you can find a lot of videos that show the child where your tongue is supposed to be when you're making this sound. Okay, so again, we're going to just point and say the sounds. So th, th, eh, b, a, I, th, w, a, h, t, th, th, eh, f. You might have noticed when I did the T and the TH sound, I really wanted to, show the difference between those two sounds. So t, th. So that's definitely a different sound. Again, picking letters and asking them which letter makes the eh sound or the b sound and all of that. Okay, and they can write it 3 times just to practice letter formation. All right, going down to the sound segmenting and blending. So now we're having the word thick and thin. And when they're talking about sounds, they still want to do 3 sounds. The T and the H are not separate. The T and H are now together. So doing thick, thin, nut, rib, wag, and path. So, and talking about how this word path, the ending sound has the th sound. And then it just reminds you here again, remember the TH makes 1 sound. Okay. And then coming down to word reading. So now this can get a little tricky with sounding out words just because it's a bigger step. So they actually underlined that for you just to show you that, again, that TH is together. Okay. So we have our first word, thin, thin, fed, fed, thin, thin, bath, bath, net, net, bib, bib, wet, wet, thin, thin, rut, rut, hat, hat. And then again, you have to choose 3 words. I would definitely pick at least 2 of the words that have the TH sound so they get used to, listening for that and then spelling it and then maybe reviewing one of these other words. Alrighty. Sight word. Okay, we're going to, again, they just want you to point and say the words. I usually run through this about 3 times, but that's, up to your child and what they know. So you could do it 5 times. You could do it 10 times. It's up to you. So was, he, of, she, you, is. Okay, and then doing sentence reading. Okay, again, the underlined word is supposed to be the adult's word, but if your child knows it, by all means, have them read it. It was hot. Sam's dog, Ben, had a bath. Ben got wet. Sam got wet. Then Sam and Ben sat in the sun. That bath was fun on a hot day. I really like these sentences because, again, they're practicing that TH sound and they're putting it into sentences so your child can apply that sound and just further practice. All right, and then again, you're going to be reading the 10 Cut Ups book, and I will again attach that. And I guess I will see you tomorrow for your next lesson. Bye.